Hello everyone, I am Thomas Etchel and I'm one of the top 50 most influential PPC experts that got voted in 2024. And today I want to show you some demand gen features that you can optimize. Let's jump into it. So first of all, for demand gen campaigns, you can select in the beginning just conversion campaign goals, clicks, and only later conversion value once you have enough budget. I've seen accounts that run on, if they spend around 20K euro on a demand gen campaign, then they can use conversion value for those campaigns, but it's not officially announced by Google. So I'm not 100% sure at what threshold you can use conversion value bidding here. Second on is obviously video partner. You should switch off. Why? Because if not, you just have a little display campaign inside your demand gen campaign, and that's not 100% wanted. I mean, because demand gen campaigns are run on Google owned property. So you are on a quite safe space, like a brand safe space. So if you add now Google video partners, your ad can show on random websites that might be scam or just clickbait. So just keep this Google video partner off. When we go through the ad groups, you can see here, optimized targeting is switched on for you by Google. Thank you, Google. But you can have a optimized targeting light version if you select the little tick here, only shown ads to people within my age and gender specification. So that means it's only showing to those people. And yeah, you have a bit more limitation on your optimized targeting, but obviously you can also switch it off. But I think it's quite okay if you use it together with the age and gender specifications. Inside the ads section, if you have a video, then you always should tick on the choose where your videos show, because this little slider gives you like a good selection of options on which video formats your demand gen video should stream. So you can have in-stream, shorts, or in-feed. Obviously, if you have just one video, you should leave them all on, because by default they are all on and you cannot select anything. But if you have two videos, then you can, if you have a vertical one, then you can just select, for example, shorts, and that's it. So you're sure that your vertical video only shows on YouTube Shorts. That's a really good feature to use. And here also, Google is also sneaky here and puts on video enhancements. So that means that Google can get vertical and square versions of your video. And this is by default switched on. So also here, if you already have vertical versions, then you don't need this, because you don't want automatically to create new versions of your video, especially if the video is nice, right? So you don't need that. And obviously headlines, you need that. And also here is another thing, side links. You should use side links, and you can use up to 4 for your demand gen campaign. That just helps to boost CTR and gives a bit more quality score to your demand gen ads.